Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, unlock your phone and go into Settings, then Battery, Battery Saver, and here you can enable the battery saver. Then go back into the display. Enable the adaptive brightness, but as you can see it may blind you, so I'll just manually lower the brightness. Then scroll down and enable the dark theme. And here disable lift to wake, just like I have. Then close all the background apps, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.